amazing, amazing, and I'm going to see even more results as I heal.
So for me, it was the best thing that I ever did. It was
Eyelid lift with PlexR gives you excellent results without risks.
I think I was really getting self-conscious about my eyes. My eyelids were starting to rest on my eyelashes. I felt personally that they made my eyes look really heavy, and I was just getting really self-conscious.
Because it felt like they were drooping down. I wasn't letting much light in. It was affecting my vision and it was affecting my confidence.
Many people are affected by excess skin on the eyelids, which gives them a tired and dated expression. At Vie Aesthetics, we offer a non-ablative, non-surgical solution that is permanent and has many advantages compared to the surgical option.
I considered plastic surgery, and I looked into that and had a consultation with a consultant. And then I came to Vie Aesthetics and talked to Dr LIakas about a soft surgery option, which was PlexR.
Soft surgery with PlexR offers all of the benefits that traditional surgery does not, including less discomfort to the patient, none of the risks of surgery, a far quicker recovery rate, and substantially lower cost. Non-ablative blepharoplasty, as the name itself implies, does not use scalpel or laser to remove the excess skin. In your initial consultation, we will assess the area and will be able to advise you with regards to the expected outcomes and the number of sessions needed.
And I had 2 treatments in total. The first one, and then I had the second one about 3 months later. And I was absolutely amazed at the results. They were actually better than I'd expected and what I'd hoped to come out for. My eyelids have been vastly reduced now. I don't have the skin hanging on my eyelashes anymore now. I feel like my eyes are much brighter, they're much wider. It's just made me feel so much more self-confident about myself, and the ability to now put makeup on and just go out feeling like, you know, I've kind of got that bright, wide-eyed look back again.
Depending on the nature and extent of the excess skin and area treated, you may need between 1 and 3 treatments, 4 to 6 weeks apart.
And I think as well that what was really comforting to me was that the way that the procedure was carried out, that actually the tool that was being used didn't actually touch the skin.
This soft surgery blepharoplasty procedure is dynamic, as it enables the practitioner to ask clients to open and close their eyes during the treatment. A typical session will last no more than 30 minutes, and the tiny point-like crusts will fall off after 3 to 7 days.
The next morning, the eyes are quite swollen, but that's totally normal to protect the eyes. And then after a couple of days, you get these scabs that form where the procedure has taken place. Again, that's perfectly normal. What is really important is to keep the scabs covered up so that they prevent any pigmentation of the skin when the scabs fall off. I was actually back at work within about 4 days. There's no downtime really in terms of having to recover, which again is another real benefit about this procedure. Yep. So I chose to have Plexi over plastic surgery for a number of reasons. First of all, because I work and it was very hard for me to have a lot of time off of work. And with the Plexi there was minimal downtime. I was back at work within 4 days. Secondly, it was a soft surgery, so it meant that I wouldn't have to go under a general anaesthetic. And also there was no scarring. It was also very quick. It only took 30 minutes and it was like really pain-free and minimal. And I was back at home the next day and back at work 4 days later. And it was a lot less expensive.
Patients may experience some swelling and soreness in the treated area following the treatment. Any residual crusts do disappear within 7 days, but can be covered with liquid foundation.
So all in all, I would say it was fairly pain-free, definitely scar-free, and yeah, when the swelling goes down and the scabs are off, and you can see the results, that's when I think you really see the benefit of what this procedure is. So for somebody who's thinking of having a treatment, I would say absolutely go for it. It's not painful, there's no scarring, it's done in a totally professional clinic with people who actually take the time to speak to you about what will happen, what aftercare that you need, and are very realistic about the results that you would get. I'm